Hello, it's Dali here from Dali Arts, and I'm going to be showing you the ShokART Rustic Paris A5 quad. We did this in the summer bloom, and fortunately or unfortunately we sold out. So because we sold out, we have now decided to do it in the Rustic Paris. So you use the same online workshop, but it's just showing you how to decorate it with this, and I've put a kit together for you for this. And I will share the kit in a minute. So it's a really lovely, beautiful pad, album even, pad as well. And you've got these magnets here that you'll get. Got a little bit of a little belly thing there. So we'll show you in the workshop just to do the basics. Then if you're ever interested in doing more, then we'll obviously do some longer workshops. So there's your little tags there. Okay, so you've got little tags there. So it all opens out. It's a, like I say, it's an A5 quad, and it opens out basically like this. Okay, so if we go to the other side, so I can show you the other side. This paper's really, should really remove my white paper, shouldn't I? And then we've got this side where you've got the lift, you've got pockets here, you've got this really beautiful, another place to put your photographs again, got some other bits here, and then you've got the front cover, and then you've got this beautiful ribbon that wraps around the whole pad. Okay. So basically, whoops, I need to put a magnet on that, I keep saying that, don't I? So this is your beautiful album, and there you have it. So this is the A5 quad Rustic Paris. Now I've put a kit together for that as well. So what I've done in the kit for this one is you get your ribbon, you get your glue, you get your brad that I showed you, you get your Rustic Paris Pad, which is absolutely gorgeous, which is what I've used to decorate the book. You get your 6 sheets of black cardstock, and you get all your marble papers to use, 10 double-sided sheets to use there as well. Okay, so you get the kit, you get the workshop free, and you've got all your bits there, and you can make this. So I teach you the foundations of how to do that. Okay, so I hope you really like it, and you can have a look at the online workshop and see if you would be interested, or buy the kit and follow the online workshop. Okay then, thank you very much, and I will see you soon. Bye.